Good morning. I am wanting to show you some really cool new access features using Google that we now have installed on all student Chromebooks. So if you are doing homework or some type of research, then I know that your number one tool of choice is Google, even though it's not always the best option for best results. But if you go to Google and you put in your search term, and I'm just going to put in Martin Luther King. We now have Chrome extensions set up, and this big black bar across the screen is actually the library. It says Destiny Discover. That is the library catalog. And so now you can see all the books, and it includes ebooks and films that the library has on your topic. If you click one, then it's going to take you straight to the library catalog. You don't have to try to remember how to navigate back. You can log in with your student number and password, so it would be your S number and then probably your birthday, unless you changed it. And for ebooks, you do have to log in to be able to see them, to read them. And so if your bar is just a bar and doesn't have information in it, doesn't have book titles, then there should be a link in the middle saying Go Follett, and I think it's like blue. If you click that, it'll ask for your state and school, and then you will be synced up to the library catalog, so you'll be able to see immediately library resources on your topic. Super easy. The second amazing access tool is this database access, and that here it's going to say Gale, and it's Opposing Viewpoints, which is one of our district databases. And then as you scroll down, you'll see we have different kinds. We have references. We have academic journals, which are peer-reviewed journals, which means they're double-checked to be correct. This is university-level academic research, and it's the most trusted type of sources you can use in a research paper. So let's just click one and see what it looks like. If it asks for a password, the password is Mustangs, Mustangs. So if you are on the library webpage accessing the database, then the password is Fairfield. So if you've been into the library and done a session with me on databases, you know it's Fairfield. But if you access it from Google, then the password is Mustangs. And once you're in, and really you only have to put it in like once, which is why it didn't show up. You don't have to put it in a bunch of times. If you forget, you can always call or come by or email me, and I'll be happy to give you the password. I'm TRACP at fsusd.org. And you can get citation tools. So we'll give you the citation. Remember, you must always show where you got your information, or otherwise you're plagiarizing. You can send it to your Google Drive. You can print, email, download it. If you sign in with Google, which is super easy, you just sign in, and it just let me do it since I've been signed in several times. Now I have my own folder, and I can save my articles to a folder. See? And then once I find several articles, right, I can also do another search for civil rights and Martin Luther King. And here is all of the resources. I have images, I have videos, I have magazines, and here's one about his parents. So that might be interesting to read. And this is about how Martin Luther King Day became a holiday. Thank you.